Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about onboarding tours and the walkthroughs using React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we are using the intro.js React, and this package has the number of downloads that is good. Okay, so this is the demo that we have created for the next. Here you can this is the first step, this is second step, third step, fourth, and then done. Okay, and you can here you can see that we can toggle the hints also and toggle the steps also. Okay, so here you can see that, right? So how we are going to create that, we are going to learn in this video. Let's get started. So rest of the code you will get it from here, and they have the example also. So code sandbox they have already. So here you can see that the next step, next, and everything they have. Okay, and they have a toggle hints also, which will come over here, I think, add step. So we can use that part also. Okay, so I have taken a reference and I have updated the code. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged code that we are using. Okay, let me show you. So this is the React from the React, and the component steps, we have steps and the hints we have to call. Intro.js CSS we require, and the index CSS. Okay, then we have a constructors super prop. This is a state, so steps enable true initial step, and the steps we have to mention over here. Okay, so these all are the steps. Hence enable true, so hence we have to mention. Okay, so these are the hence, and the done steps, the done button text. Okay, then we have a render, so we have a steps enabled. From this state we have to get it. Okay, then we have the step section. Here you can see, then we have a hints, right? And here you can see that top of the buttons we have a controls, that is toggle, toggle hints, mark as done. Okay, then we have a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, where they can go whenever we click on the next, it will go over there, right? So here we have that all steps. After this we have a on exit, that we have to set the state that steps enabled false. Okay, on before exit we have that all steps done. Okay, and toggle steps we have go with the previous state or the next state, we have to we have to set that one. Okay, and then mark as done, we have to make the niche, then all the steps should be completed, and that on that note. Okay, and this is that's it. And here you can see that you can make it like the onboarding or walkthrough with the help of this package also. So you can see that the demo of that one also. Okay, and here we have the documentation which we can use for that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.